Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be talking about this. Got the cheapest possible AC kit for this cast back here. $600 for the whole kit. Come with an AC compressor, all the lines, the ducting, and AC box. Also the condenser, the dryer, and all the fittings and stuff. Seems like it works pretty decent. I mean, everything's on here. I mean, everything just roughly on here. Don't know if it really works yet, but everything mounts up anyways. So it's pretty simple to put all on here. All is bolted up, just routed stuff, and seemed to all work. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the inside. And the box is about the size of the old glove box. Probably not gonna be able to reuse the glove box, but can just cut the back side out of it and that'll work out. Be better than burn up in this 100-degree Texas weather. It seems like every day in the summer. But I went ahead and got the ducts ran. Got it wired up. Each duct goes to each vent. They'll make that work out. Seems to blow pretty decent. It got just gonna have to figure out where to put these controls. But here's a temp. Got the air blower. This too. Seems to blow pretty decent. You can hear it blowing. Oh, here you go. Here's something for blowing justification. Yeah, see, it's blowing a little bit. Better than nothing. Seems to blow quite a bit. Pretty much just as blowy as like a 92 Chevrolet. But seems like it blows alright. Well, that'll be it for this video, guys. And just gonna make this real short video about this. Seems like it works. Worked for a lot of different applications. How small and compact it is. Quite easy to run. Ain't much to it. Make another video on to see if this actually works or not.